Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a man who was raised by my grandmother's sister. Gogo took me to school and raised me. Gogo also had her own children, but I was always a favorite ya Gogo. She put me first because I think she knew how I had lost my parents and grandparents, so she wanted me to feel loved. Vana Gogo didn't like me because of that. Unfortunately, Gogo passed on, and she left her house in all our names. I didn't know about this until imba yakuda kutengeswa. Vana Gogo told me that I was supposed to sign off for the sale of that house as well. I was happy because Gogo had thought of me. Nakafara because I had something to remind me of the kind lady who was like a mother kwandiri. Now that I know, andifunge kuti zvinoita kuti imba iyi itengeswe, which I communicated nehama dzangu. I think tinokwanisa kuita mari nekuisa maroja pambapa. Asi vedare ndanzwa nekutukwa ndichinzi imba iyoyo haisi yako. I keep being told that Gogo vakaita mistake kuisa zita rako. Now I don't know if I should give it up, but that is also a legacy yakasiiwa. I have been receiving threats over this house. But I think Gogo left me imba iyi for a reason. Please help vedare ndoita sei. Should I sign it off or should I stand my ground nekuti ndakasiirwawo imba iyi?
Get in touch with the conversation on 0772162651 and let us know what you make of today's hot topic. Also, you can give us a phone call on the same number 0772162651.
Hot Topic is proudly powered by Inbox. Inbox, the future of money.
Taking in your messages on the WhatsApp platform already. I'm seeing my messages. I can't stand your ground.
All right, I've got some messages here saying if you sign up, they will not give you a cent. It's blessing. Keep the house up. Please sign it off. It's the right thing to do. And some of the messages are coming here. Stand your ground, darling. Siana ne mashoko imbande yako. Israel Tembo Vangal. On my way from work. And then here is another the message coming in on 0772-162, and you say, my brother, stand your ground imbande yako. So you keep your messages on coming on 0772-162-651, and your calls as well. We'll be taking those on the show.
I like this. Looking at the WhatsApp platform, stand your ground.
Yes.
Like a lot of people are just saying stand your ground in those words. Stand your ground. Tipe more, guys. Stand your ground. Aite say apopote. Anyure tsamba. Maybe also anzi ndikumbura recap nanonoka kushika. Over to you, Saki.
Okay, so this is a man who's saying he was raised by sister ya gogo vake, and gogo vane vana, gogo vakabva vashaya vavasiya imba iyi vakabva vaisiya muzita remwana uyu atinyorera hot topic nevana vavo as well. Saka pavanga vakuda kutengesa imba ndo pavakazonzwa kuti aiwa imba yakaiswawo muzita remwana uyu. So now vana vakuti chisaina off imba titengese imba. He didn't mention if they are going to be sharing the money equally, but that's what they are saying. And he's asking if he should sell the house, but he can't sell the house because it's also a legacy.
What do you make of this? Like you're saying, because I think it would be easier if they're going to give him something.
True. And I think if maybe Daivanga, if he had mentioned it, I don't know, but I would love to believe, even if they mentioned stories or something like that, or statements. So I think, as the WhatsApp platform is saying, stand your ground.
And that house is your only attachment to remember Gogo for the good work that she had. I would appreciate it if you can develop it further as a way to honor Gogo, and also goes on to say, stand your ground. And nyaya dzelegacy dzinonetsa because it's something from your heart.
Yes.
Hembe yawakapiwa and even if ukazonzwa kunzi hembe yekutengeswa for like it's been auctioned or you can auction it, unogona kusazviita because you want to hold on to that one thing yakasiiwa nagogo vako. Another one also says here, gogo vakatosiya imba yoyo in your name for that reason. Vaiziva kuti vapfana nevana vavanopenga and shinyu iwewe kuti dzako dzinodhonza. So don't sell the house. It will make gogo turn in her grave. This is Mamoyo, my Juju. How are you, my Juju? I second that.
Right.
Ukaona munhu atikuisa panyaya idzodzo ari kuziva kuti pane vamwe vatori nemaproblems.
And you know, imba yakatosiyana nezvimwe zvinhu zvidiki. It's you have to kutofambira nyaya dzacho, so you are intentional about it. Zvasiyana maybe nehembe kuti maybe inganzi maybe vakangotaurawo in passing, but it's a house and she literally put your name there.
Do you know what I would have loved to know is why didn't Gogo sit down nevana pavaiisa vanhu mazita avo kutaura kuti I'm leaving this house on the grounds that you don't sell it, mugarisane zvakanaka. That way mufi kana azofa pavakazofa gogo vanhu would always say aiwa but gogo vakasiya vatigarisa pasi
vakatotaura kuti imba yetu tinodaidzo. Okay, so a message here, hanzi kana mazita avo vese vari 3 ari pamatitle deeds, iye should look for a lawyer to make sure that he gets his share of the sale. Vakachengeta imba iyi mutauro hauperi year after year. And then another message here says, ini hangu nyaya dzedzimba idzi ndine I lost that one. Okay, I got it. Hanzi ndine hama yakabva kufa nenyaya yekurwira dzimba idzi, ngavatengese Mwari vanomupa.
I like this as well. This is Manyara from Brayside says, is the house not in all the kids' names, not just yours? It's not just yours. So look for legal grounds to get your share. Buy your own house. That will be your legacy, knowing that the money came from Gogo. I like that.
Right?
Uita zvinhu zviri peaceful. Uzvitengera hako imba yako ega uchiona kuti iwa uchaitengesa nekuti they will never let him rest.
So we're against him standing his ground?
I'm not against it. Sometimes you just need to choose peace. If they stop now, they'll come back again. Right.
That's
you know,
true.
they will never give you the peace that you're looking for. So maybe solution
Right, and you can keep your messages and your voice notes coming on the WhatsApp platform.
0772